Hello guys, welcome to Coder. Hope you are doing great. Today we will learn useRef hook in React. UseRef hook in React is used to create mutable objects that persist across render. It commonly used to store and access a reference to a DOM element, or we can say value that doesn't trigger re-render. What does that mean? Basically, when we make use of useStateHook and whenever we are changing our state data, our component, or we can say functional component, get re-render again and again every time we are changing or we are updating our state. But in case of useRef, it doesn't trigger re-render when it change. Now we will see how to use useRef hook in React. At first, we have to import useRef hook from React. After that, what we will do, we will define useRef, that is myref useRef, and it will hold some initial value. So this is the syntax to define useRef hook in React. Okay, now this initial value can be null, a DOM element, or any other initial value. Now how you can attach this myref to JSX? So for this one, what we can do, we can define div, and in div we can define ref, and this will be your myref, and we can say hello useRef. Okay, now if you see the output, you will not get anything right now. Okay, now how can you access ref? Basically, this is how you can define useRef, how you can attach to your JSX. Now how you can access your ref value? So for that one, what the syntax is, syntax will be console.log, and it will be myref.current. That means myref.current, this is myref, and that .current will contain the value of ref. If the ref is attached to DOM element, myref will hold the DOM element. Now we will see working example of that one. So at first we have defined useRef, and we will make use of use effect along with that one, so we can see in a very clear way. And initial value we are defining null. Okay, and I'm removing this one, use effect, and this will be our arrow function, and this will be empty array because we want to execute only first time. And here we are doing console.log myref.current. Okay, div myref hello myref. Okay, now we'll just save this one. Now if I open the console, you can see, if I clear this one, you can see what output we are getting, hello myref. So this is the output we are getting. So in this example, myref is creating using myref hook attached to div element. and access inside the use effect hook. And after the component has mounted, we can able to see, or we can get the value by using that current object. Okay, now what are the use case of use or ref hook? First use case is accessing and modifying DOM element. Okay, second thing is holding mutable object, and third one is preserving value across render, because some values we don't want to change, or because some value we will store inside useRef hook so that it will not get changed whenever any render is taking place in case of functional component. So in that case, it is kind of storage where we can store the data and we can able to access later on, and it will be unchangeable data, it will get inside that one. So this is how you can make use of useRef hook in your application. So this is all in this video. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you all.